Hello, today I'm going to talk about geometric constructions using GeoGebra. First, let's look at the standard used to create this unit. I have listed both the Common Core State standards as well as the Next Generation standards, which will replace the Common Core standards in New York State beginning in the year 2020-2021. The Common Core standards state that students should make formal geometric constructions with a variety of tools and methods, construct an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle, construct the inscribed and circumscribed circles of a triangle, and prove properties of angles for a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. While the Next Generation standards state that students should make, justify, and apply formal geometric constructions, and students should make and justify the constructions for inscribing an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon in a circle. As you can see, there has not been much of a change from the Common Core standards to the Next Generation standards. Both sets of standards can be retrieved from engagenewyork.org. This learning experience consists of 6 lessons. Each lesson and worksheet has an accompanying homework worksheet and were created by Kirk Weiler of eMath Instruction. To access these resources, you can find them at emathinstruction.com. The technology incorporated into these lessons is the online program called Geogebra, and you can access this free program at geogebra.org. The first lesson leads students through the steps of copying an angle using a compass and straight edge. Due to possible human error, students will also use GeoGebra to create exact constructions. Once students can copy an angle, they will be able to create a parallel line through a point not on a given line. I have listed the steps students will use to create a parallel line using GeoGebra. At the top of the GeoGebra program is a toolbar that contains all the tools necessary to create these constructions. In the first step, students will need the tool, the line drawing tool, shown here. In the second step, students will need to be able to draw a circle, which is shown here. They will also need to be able to use the compass tool, shown here, which helps them copy circles. Students will need to be able to find intersection points, and GeoGebra makes that super easy by using the intersection point tool in the toolbar at the top. Students can also use the equation of a line to help them determine if the lines are parallel or not. GeoGebra shows the equations of the lines and circles to the left of the screen. If students were to right-click on the equations, they can change the form of the equations into slope-intercept form, which is the form they are most commonly using. Students will then learn to construct perpendicular lines, circumcircles, angle bisectors, which will lead to inscribing circles, and then they will also inscribe regular polygons. Using both pencil and paper and GeoGebra. At the end of this learning experience, students will take a written exam provided by eMath Instruction using a compass and straight edge only. They will also turn in a performance project which will require them to create 3 main constructions, shown here, demonstrating step-by-step process using GeoGebra and writing out clear explanations of how to create each construction using pictures. The constructions will consist of being able to construct a parallel line through a point not on the line, construct the circumcircle of a triangle, construct the inscribed circle of a triangle. When students construct the circumcircle of a triangle, it shows me that they are able to create perpendicular line segments. When they inscribe a circle, it shows that they can create angle bisectors. So this incorporates many other constructions within it, which helps determine if they fully understand. Students will then be evaluated using the following rubric. After completing this learning experience, students will have a deeper understanding of the properties created from those constructions. which will help them in future units and mathematics courses. Thank you for watching.